Hi everyone, welcome to Big Bazaar Beauty Ready Salon Talks at Home. I am Rinda and I hope you all are doing well. And once again, I'm back with our Instagram Big Bazaar Beauty Ready Salon Talks at Home, second episode of our live sessions. So, guys, I know you all are missing your salon pampering sessions, but don't you worry because I am here to take care of all your beauty needs. I know that it's hard and it's very it's unsafe to go out right now, but I will take these live sessions so that आप घर बैठे ये सब कुछ खुद कर सके, and I will be telling you how you can do manicure, pedicure, hair care, hair spa, lots of DIYs and homemade mask, all these things, and you will be ready to experience your own private salon at home, and I don't want you guys to miss on that. Alright guys, so every Friday 5 p.m. I will come live on our Instagram page, which is Big Bazaar Beauty Ready, and we will have these live sessions, and I will try and make this session very fun and very detailed yet informative, and I want you guys to please make this session very interactive, as you can ask any questions or any doubts that you have. You can comment on the comment box, and if you can see comment box के just right hand side में question mark का logo है, so you can click on that and type in your question there as well, so I'll surely take it up. I know my nails are looking very shabby क्योंकि मैं वेट कर रही थी ये फ्राइडे का लाइव सेशन का, सो दैट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूं कि कैसे हम घर बैठे एक सलोन स्टाइल मैनिक्योर कर सकते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन. So the things that you need for the manicure are, you would need a nail paint remover, a manicure set, you would need shampoo, body wash, face wash, or any hand wash, whatever you have you can use. Today I'll be using a body wash. You would need a Dettol. It's basically any antiseptic liquid. You would need some lemon, a moisturizing cream, we have a scrub right here, we have salt, few nail paints of your choice, and apart from this you would need a towel, tissues, some cotton, and also a warm bowl of water. So let's start. I will be taking you step by step on how you can do all these. So let's begin. The first step is to remove all these old nail traces. जो भी आपके पुराने nail paint आपके हाथ में है, we will remove that. And for that, I am using the TS Dip and Clean. As the name suggests, all you have to do is dip your finger in and इसको आप rotate करें, and it will remove all the nail paint stain जो भी है आपके. I think it's such a cool thing because you do not need a separate cotton pad and a makeup remover. Nail paint remover. But you can just carry this, and I think it's great for travel purpose. So quickly I'm removing this. Also, this nail paint remover is acetone free, which is great. So quickly I have just removed all my nail paint stains. Here we have everything removed. It was so quick, and this retails for ₹99 only. Alright, so let's go ahead with our second step. Before showing you the second step, I want to show you the manicure kit that I got from TS Beauty. I loved it. Just look at the packaging, it's so handy. So you get this stand as well as a storage to keep all your tools, and they have 8 different tools for your manicure, and they also have a scissor and tweezer that will help you for your brows. So it's a great product, I would say. So now going ahead with our second step, which is clipping your nails and also filing it, basically cutting your nails and filing it. For that, from this tool we have 3 nail cutters right here. Now you must be wondering कि 3 nail cutters क्यों है. This is actually regular nail cutter. that we use. फिर ये second वाला है, this is smaller, very small if you compare it with the previous one. So it's great for your small nails like your toenails, and also great for travel purpose. And the third one is the slant nail cutter, if you can see. तो इसको हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं, because if we want to shape our nails, तो हम इसको edges, जो हमारे nails के edges है, उसको हम इससे cut करेंगे and then we will shape our nails. So that's why this is used. पर मैं अभी कोई भी nail cutters नहीं यूज़ करने वाली, because my nails are already very very short, तो I'll just trim it. So in case you have small nails, you just have to trim it, you do not need to cut it. I'm just keeping it all these things back. Now I'm going ahead and I'm gonna trim my nails using this trimmer. Now I know you guys, बहुत लोगों को मैंने देखा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा pressure लगा के they shape their nails, they file their nails, but it's not required. अगर आप बहुत कम भी pressure लगाओगे, still you can do it. So you have to just hold it एकदम end में, and you have to go in backward and forward motion इस तरह, just like that, very gently. Don't put pressure, नहीं तो आपके nails weak हो रहे हैं. All right, just softly we are gonna do this till the time I am filing my nails. Why don't you guys comment down below what's your favorite nail shape? Is it round, or is it oval, or is it square, rounded square, or some shape that I don't know about? Why don't you guys comment? By then I'll quickly file my nails. I usually like round and square are my go-to nail shape. My nails are already quite shaped, just have to file the edges. Alright, quickly done with this. Don't put pressure, guys, just be very very gentle with it. So I have shaped my nails very quickly, it was already quite shaped. Now we are going ahead for dipping our hands inside the magical water. Yes, I call it as magical water, but there's nothing like that. So here we have the warm water bowl. Now this water bowl, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा hot water नहीं है, it's warm, something that your hand can bear. It shouldn't be very very hot. So this is the bowl. Now इस water में we are going to put 2 pumps of any shampoo, any body wash, any hand wash, any face wash, whatever you have, you can use it. So I'm gonna put 2 pumps of this. All right. Now the next thing you need to use is salt. So I have this right here. So ये है एक one full spoon, 1 tablespoon of salt. So I'm gonna pour this into it. So 1 second. And then you need any antiseptic liquid. I'll be using Dettol. So Dettol का आपको full जो cap है वो पूरा आपको इसमें डालना है. All right. And I'm going to mix this nicely. Now the next step, before dipping our hands in, we need to use a very thick cream. ये मैं usually हमेशा करती हूँ and it really works. आपके घर में जो भी thick cream है that you can take. I'm taking the Nivea moisturizer. और इसको आप अपने cuticles जो है हमारे उसमें मैं लगा लूँगी. Very randomly, just आपके cuticles में इसको मैं लगा रही हूँ इस तरह. Before dipping our hands. Right. Now what it will do is, जो हम लोग cream लगाते हैं, then our cuticles will get really soft. So when we are using a cuticle cutter, हमारे dead skins को निकालने के लिए, it will be very easy to remove it. Alright, so I'm gonna dip my hands into it. But before that, I have something. So you can put any flower of your choice for fragrance. I had this at my house, so I'm just going to pour some flowers into it, because why not? It's salon style manicure at home, so why not? So I'm gonna dip my hands into it. The water is quite warm, so that's the good temperature that you need. Now why did we put the shampoo? क्योंकि shampoo और any cleanser वो आपके nails को और आपके hands को बहुत अच्छे से clean करेगा. Basically that's its job. Then next is salt. Salt क्या करेगा? Because हम लोग ने बहुत ज़्यादा अभी हम clean करने वाले अपने hands को, so we don't want जो हमारा natural moisture है वो चला जाए. So the salt will lock in the moisture very well, जो हमारा natural moisture है. And then we have put Dettol. So what Dettol? It's an antiseptic liquid. तो जो भी bacterias है, germs है हमारे nails के अंदर and हमारे hand में, वो उसको remove करेगा. So you have to keep this in, you have to keep your hand inside this bowl for 10 minutes, but we'll be keeping it right now. Let's see. We're gonna just keep it for some time. Also guys, the manicure kit, I really love this. So this has 8 tools and it retails for 250 rupees. I bought it from Big Bazaar as मैं जब भी देख रही थी, when I had to do this live session, I was just going through कि क्या क्या manicure sets available है, and TS Beauty as a brand had everything that I wanted. So I went ahead and I got almost everything from TS Beauty. But this retails for 250 rupees. इसका एक small version भी है with 5 tools, so if you want that you can go ahead with it. I guess it had 2 nail cutters, it had a cuticle cutter, it had tweezer and a buffer. So it's a set of 5 in case you don't want the whole set and you have few things, then you can go ahead with that. And it retails for 125 rupees only. And also guys, you can bring home salon, as Big Bazaar has this offer wherein all beauty essentials and every salon essentials are available at 499. Everything is at 499, so go ahead and check it out. All right, I'm going to remove my hand. You continue keeping it for 10 minutes, but I'm going to remove my hand right now from this bowl because of time constraint. All right, so you need a fresh towel wherein I will wipe my hands. Just this. All right, going to wipe my hands. I think there's some connection problem because I cannot see anything. Not to worry. Okay, so I have wiped my hands right now. So now the next step is to cut the cuticles. Now जो भी हमारे dry skin है, basically cuticle is the part जो आपके nail के यहाँ पे area में होता है, the edges. So I'm gonna cut that, जो भी dead skin है. For that I will be using again the manicure kit, और उसमें से I will use the cuticle cutter, which is this one. Alright. So now I'm gonna take this. You have to be very careful when you are using this, क्योंकि आप अपने जो non dead skin है उसको ना cut कर दे. You have to be very careful. So slowly I'm gonna remove this from my hand, and you would need a cotton pad. I'll be using a cotton pad and I'm just cleaning it. Just like that quickly. और ये जो cuticles है, ये basically dead skin है जो हमारे हो जाते हैं, and I have very bad dead skin near my cuticles. मुझे हर second day I have to remove it. In case you are like me, that's the only option, which is to remove your cuticles. जो भी dryness है आपके हाथ में, that you have to remove. नहीं तो यू सी कि बहुत बार स्किन्स बाहर निकलने लग जाते हैं, ऐसे ही साइड की स्किन निकलने लग जाती है, विच इज़ नॉट गुड. सो वी आर गोना रिमूव दैट. आई एम ऑलमोस्ट डन विद इट, एंड हियर आई हैव रिमूव्ड एवरीथिंग. Now our next step is to use a lemon. Now you must be wondering why lemon. क्योंकि बहुत बार हम जब नेल पेंट लगाते हैं तो एक स्टेन आ जाती है, येलो स्टेन आ जाती है हमारे नेल्स पे. सो टू रिमूव दैट वी विल बी यूजिंग लेमन. इट विल हेल्प टू रिमूव दैट स्टेन. ऑल्सो ये हमारे नेल्स को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. सो आई विल बी रबिंग दिस ऑन टू माई नेल्स. In case if you have really yellow stained nails, then you can go ahead and dip your lemon into baking soda. थोड़ा सा baking soda ले लो, उसको आप dip कर लो, and then you start cleaning your nails. Alright, so quickly I'll just clean all my nails and try to remove all those yellow stains from my finger. एंड ऑल्सो गाइज, जब आप नेल पेंट लगा रहे हो, डोंट कीप इट फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग. लेट योर नेल्स ब्रीथ. लेट इट ब्रीथ. बिकॉज अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली लगाते हो, देन योर नेल्स आर नॉट ब्रीदिंग एंड इट विल टर्न येलो, इट विल बिकम वीक. सो हियर आई हैव removed all those yellow stain. Literally it has removed. And in case I said, if you have very yellow stained nails, then use a baking soda. If not required, please do not use it. So this, I have done it. Now the next step would be cleaning our nails. जो भी हमारे nails के अंदर dirt है, that we have to remove. And I will be using the dirt remover, nail dirt remover from this whole pack. Now I'll be using this. Now if you can see, ये curved है आगे से, so it won't be pokey, it will be very soft. And also जब हमने nails को dip किया है, our skin is very moist, so ये फटाफट जो भी हमारे dirt है वो निकल जाएगा. And also इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जब आप मैनिक्योर कर रहे हो तभी आप नेल्स को क्लीन करो. इट शुड बी अ रेगुलर हैबिट दैट यू शुड क्लीन योर नेल्स every time, every day, because we do so many things with our nails, with our hands, and nails are so dirty, so we need to take care of our hygiene. It was so easy to remove all the dirt from my nail. Oh god, very easy, and I've removed everything. Look at that. So now I've cleaned my nails. So let's repeat once what all we did. At first we removed all the nail stain जो भी हमारे थे हाथ में, वो हमने remove किया. Second, हमने अपने nail को clip किया, basically हमने cut किया और उसको trim किया. और उसके बाद हमने bowl में, जो हमारा magic bowl है, उसमें we used warm water था, which is bearable, and then we used some shampoo in it, we used some salt, and we used Dettol. And we also pour some petals on it for fragrance. And हमने अपने hands को dip किया for around 10 minutes. You guys will do it for 10 minutes. And then we removed our hand, and then we have removed all those जो भी हमारे cuticles थे. And to उसको soft करने के लिए हमने Nivea cream लगाया था before dipping our hands, और हमने इसको अच्छे से cut कर लिया है. Then we have used a dirt remover to remove our dirt from the fingers. वो हमने पूरा remove भी कर लिया. And then now the next step is scrubbing our hand, and for that I will be using the Everyuth tan removable scrub. It has chocolate and cherry. I can't talk enough about this product because it's so good. You have seen बहुत सारे scrub are very harsh on your skin, और वो आप जब use करते हो तो बहुत dry हो जाता है, but this does not. I'm taking this much amount, and I'm gonna scrub the whole hand with it. So इसमें chocolate and cherry है, as the name suggests, tan removable. It will remove your tan, it really does. और इसके जो granules है वो बहुत soft है, बहुत ज़्यादा soft है, so it does not affect your skin, और वो harm नहीं करता. And next thing, जो dryness है, no, it is very moisturizing. That was so surprising कि कोई scrub has kept your skin so moisturized after using. And this one retails for 115 rupees only. That is so surprising because this is a great product. So I'm just scrubbing it, and it literally removes your tan. So I'll be massaging it very well. So by the time I'm massaging, let's reply to few questions. Share daily skin routine video for sensitive. Surely I will come up with that. any tips for faster nail growth? So what you can do is you can take some almond oil, all right, or before sleeping just put it near your cuticles and also the inner part here, right here. Just put some drop and massage your nails really well. So this will help you to grow, you know, it will help your nails to grow faster. Any cream will work. Yes, anything, any cream that you have, it is going to work. So as I said, the manicure set, it will cost you 250 rupees, the whole set, and also they have the 5 set available, so that is for 125 rupees, the 5 set tool. Alright, so we are going ahead and I am going to wipe my hand using a wet towel because I've massaged it really well, I've scrubbed it really well. Alright, so now here we are. Now we have scrubbed it and we have done everything. All the steps are done. The final step would be moisturizing your hand, and for that I will be using my old moisturizer which I showed, the Nivea one. So I'm gonna use the Nivea Soft because this is very thick, and as I said, my hands are super dry. It's very dry. So this will help me lock the moisture and it will make my hands really soft. So I'm just going to massage it all over my hands very well. Also, if scrub, now if you don't have this scrub, you can use any scrub that you have at your home. Anything that you have you can use, and if you don't want to use any chemical scrub, you can go ahead and use a DIY scrub which I'm going to tell you right now. So for that you would need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, chawal ka atta. So you will take 2 tablespoons of that. You will mix 1 big tablespoon of milk into it, and then you will go ahead and mix 2 teaspoon of lemon. You will mix it very well. एक अच्छा thick paste आप बना लोगे, वो एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा liquidy नहीं होना चाहिए. It has to be thick. और फिर just apply it onto your hand and massage it really well, and you can use this as your DIY scrub. Let's answer few questions. Yeah. Now after this you can go ahead, before moisturizer you can go ahead and apply a pack also. You have whatever pack you have at home, any face pack. If you don't have any face pack, you can go ahead and use multani mitti, and anything that you have at home you can use that. It's optional, but right now I'll be going ahead and I'll apply my nail paint. So for that I will be using the TS nail paint. These are the two things. One is the transparent and one is a pink color. What's your go-to color? Like what is it? Nude? Is it black, or is it red? Is it pink? What is your go-to color? Why don't you comment down below and tell me? Oh, my hands are so I'm going ahead and I'll apply this. At first I'm going to apply a very thin coat. Alright, very thin, because this will help you keep your nail paint, like it will last long. A very thin coat. Okay, somebody is asking alright, so DIY mask, what you can do is you can take some coffee, 2 tablespoons of coffee. You can mix 1 big tablespoon of honey, and you can mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is really good, but in case if you don't have olive oil, you can use almond oil or coconut oil. So that would be great for your mask. So you can keep it for 15 minutes and then you can wash it. You can also massage it nicely before washing it. So this, now I have been using TS nail paint, the TS Beauty nail paint, for quite some time, and I really like it. The stay power is really good. It stays on for like days, and also if you apply it properly, like a thin coat and go ahead with a thick coat, if you do that, and when you apply your transparent nail paint, it will stay for longer time. The TS nail paint, the price of this are 99 only. It just retails for 99, and they have all the variants from nudes to dark, and they also have the glitter nail paints too. Yeah, so you can have like a nice you know a nail art done with the help of those glitters. So I'm just done with this. Here, just look at the difference. This was my previous my old hand. That's why I just did one hand, because I wanted to show you the difference from right to left. Just look at it. There's so much difference, and you can see the tanning and the brightness that it has given me. So here we have done it. You can go ahead and apply the transparent coat, because it's always good to apply a transparent coat on top, क्योंकि वो आपके nail paint को और ज़्यादा long lasting बनाता है. So this is also by TS. Does TS nail paint stains? So any nail paint, yeah, see, if you keep your nail paint for quite long time, it does stain. So the question was, does TS nail paint stains? Yes, any nail paint that you keep for very long time, it will stain your nails. So you can use the lemon to remove that. How about coconut oil? Yes, you can use in coconut oil too. Alright, so here we have finished our salon style manicure at home. Guys, do try this at home, and also tag us on our Instagram page, which is Big Bazaar Beauty Ready, and pamper yourself well. And also guys, Father's Day is near. It's on 21st June, so you guys can have a nice bonding salon session with your father and your family members. So if you do so, please tag us on our Instagram page, which is Big Bazaar Beauty Ready. And also guys, you can bring salon at home, as you can buy any beauty essentials, all salon essentials from Big Bazaar at under $4.99. Everything is under $4.99. You can buy it from your nearest Big Bazaar store, or you can also buy it online at shop.bigbazaar.com. I will see you next week, next Friday 5 p.m. Until then, please take care, stay safe. I will see you soon. Bye, have a great weekend.